In manufacturing, what looks the same on the outside can be very different on the inside. Two-shot molding and overmolding can produce parts that look almost identical, but the processes behind them are not the same, and that determines which process is better suited for a specific application. We've already explained how two-shot molding works in detail in a previous video. You can check it out here. In short, two-shot molding uses a dedicated two-shot injection machine. Both materials are injected in a single cycle with no part transfer. Overmolding is typically a two-step process. The base part is molded on a conventional injection machine, fully cooled, and then transferred, manually or with simple automation, to a second machine for the overmold shot. Because this is a cold secondary process, bonding is more sensitive to temperature control and material compatibility, and tolerances are generally looser. At the same time, it allows the use of standard machines and simpler tooling, making overmolding well-suited for low-volume production. By contrast, two-shot molding completes both shots in a single cycle, with no part transfer. This creates a more stable interface, stronger bonding, and tighter tolerance control. While tooling and equipment costs are higher, they are usually offset by labor and assembly savings at scale. From what we've seen across many projects at FirstMold, our experience suggests that two-shot molding works best for high-performance automotive, medical, and electronics applications, while overmolding is commonly chosen for grip, sealing, or ergonomic features. Follow FirstMold for more manufacturing insights. See you next time.